Azuretime Comic Part 3 and TW Slightly Suggestive Content. And we kiss, Azure. Hmm? Dang, Timey. You don't know how much I've been waiting for this. Really? But of course, my love. It would be a pleasure to kiss you. You taste so sweet, my nightshade. Huh? Yay, that's enough for the first try. Oh, but I was just getting started, my nightshade. Pretty please. Maybe just one more kiss? It's alright. Maybe one right here. Sorry, can we at least go a bit more slowly, please? Okay, if that's what you want. Perfect, dear. I just have to get used to it with time. Understandable, honey. I'll give you all the time you need. Right now, I'm just really happy that we both feel the same. Me too. Maybe it was one destiny to be together. The reason why the paths crossed me and you in the first place. Right, to time? Time? Oh, what if we make this our first date, huh? Sound good? Sounds perfect. Good. Oh, here's some strawberry cake. Oh. Inspo and warning at the two-time part, aka my parents.